Australian Federal Police say they've disrupted an international people smuggling operation that's targeting Australia. 2 men have been arrested and are facing the Melbourne Magistrates Court today. Let's go now to Sarah Farnsworth, who's at the court for their appearance. Sarah, what are Federal Police saying about these arrests?
Well, this morning the Australian Federal Police held a press conference in which they explained that they've been undertaking a 10-month investigation into this alleged people smuggling ring that they say is operating in Australia. So yesterday they executed 10 search warrants across Victoria and New South Wales, and it's culminated, as you said, in the arrest of 2 Victorian men who they allege are key players in this ring that has been bringing people to Australia, or at least trying to organise to bring people to Australia. And this is what they had to say a little bit earlier about those charges.
It will be alleged in court this morning that both of these male persons were key players in this syndicate and were responsible for the planning and facilitating of a number of unlawful citizens into Australia.
So what more can you tell us about the racket and the sting police used to make the arrests?
Well, they've explained that they used undercover operatives to infiltrate this international syndicate that they say was a people smuggling racket. And they used a fictitious story. These undercover cops basically went in and told those that they believe are key players that they wanted to bring a family of 6 from Afghanistan to Australia, and that's how they gained their information. Now, they said that this is an ongoing investigation, and the documents and computers that they seized this morning, they hope will provide evidence to back up their case, and they are expecting to make more arrests in the future. They couldn't put a distinct number on how many people they believe this alleged racket has bought or is bringing to Australia. They just said it was in the dozens.
People being smuggled from Iran and Iraq, and also people that claim to be stateless as well. It will be claimed that the passengers for which one of the males was charged were coming from Afghanistan. The people from Afghanistan basically comprise of a family unit of 6, but again, in terms of the operation, that family really didn't exist. It was really through the use of undercover operatives that we engaged this people smuggling syndicate.